I'm going to teach you how to use a new features on YouTube for content cinematic video animation. So but before you generate your images, these particular features work perfectly when your image are facing or your characters are facing the camera. They shouldn't be far from the camera. That's why you have to maintain your camera angle that you are going to be using in your image generation. So when your characters are facing the camera, it works perfectly. If you use some characters that is difficult for the AI tools to create the dialogue with, it will be writing errors. So if you use a character and it's telling you error, something went wrong, and you do it first time, second time, third time, then you have to try and divert that character style, the camera angle, and generate another particular camera angles for that characters. And this is best for TikTok videos and YouTube reels or YouTube shorts. So follow me as I will take you there. Then click on your YouTube. When you click on your YouTube, then you click on this plus sign here. You click on this plus sign here. So when you click on this plus sign here, it will bring you to this interface. You will see that Gemini icon. You see it, then you click on it. So when you click on it, it will take you to another interface. Are you getting it? So once you get to that another interface, you will see different functions in that another interface. So let us wait. It's loading. Let us wait and see. So don't forget your text should be ready, your script rather should be ready, and your images should be ready. So this is the interface it will bring you to, and you are going to see different things. Create image, you are going to see create video, make my picture to move. So you click on that create video. So once you click on that create video, it will take you to another interface. So when it takes you to another interface, where you are going to do your major work. Then after it brings you to this interface, you are going to click this plus sign here. Click this plus sign here. So when you click the plus sign here, you are going to look for your picture. You are going to look for the characters that you want to use. So let me look for the character I want to use. I'm looking for AI characters that I want to use. I've seen the picture I can use. Okay, let me use this. So after that, then you put in your own dialogue. You have generated your script already. So scene by scene or segment by segment, then you put, and when you put it, try to describe the character that is talking. So let me put on commander. So who is the commander? The man. You see, they resemble each other by the right hand. So then I have to put in his dialogue. We are to be vigilant because of the enemies. So don't forget, I'm just doing this for teaching purpose, for this tutorial purpose. So the second one is the, let me put sergeant. So that is the man by the left hand, by the left hand. So I believe it is very, very clear. Then put in the dialogue. Then what are we going to write? I'm thinking of what to write. No problem, sir. No problem, sir. We are prepared. So that is it. So then you press the arrow sign to send. You press the arrow sign to send your video and it will generate. So let us wait for it. It shouldn't take much time before it will generate. So it doesn't take more than, it's not up to a minute. It's not up to a minute. It depends on the network of your environment. So let us wait for it. And this is how you will continue to generate your cinematic scene one by one till you are done. Then after you are done, you go to your CapCut or your InShot, you mash those videos together. And don't forget, this is always 8 seconds video, so it creates 8 seconds scene. Are you getting it? So when you are creating your script, try to let ChatGPT to help you to divide each scene to 8 seconds. Are you getting it? So it is 8 seconds. You have to be very, very specific when you are doing that. So our
we have to be vigilant because of the enemies. No props, sir. We are prepared.
You can see how beautiful this is.
We have to be vigilant because of the enemies. No props, sir. We are prepared.
So we have generated our video already. So the next thing is you download. Don't click on next. You download it here. So I've clicked on download, so it will download to my phone. Then after that, if you want to create another video, don't click on next. You click on this arrow, this back arrow. Then after you have done that, it will take you back to the place we are coming from. Then you put in another, and after you put in another character, put in another dialogue. So that is how you are going to go about it. So try to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.